Well, it's really so. Oh God, this is terrible.
So, we started making a video that was going to be moving, funny, silly, honest, and just plain engaging, just like Birds in a Wire. We were sure it was going to be beautifully composed and thoughtfully structured, and about everything Birds in a Wire is, does, and hopes to be. Turns out that's easier said than done. So instead, here's a short and sweet video about Birds in a Wire. Birds in a Wire Dance Theater is an entirely volunteer-run company that unwraps and dissects palpable female experiences and presents them in thoughtful, curious productions. We believe that by its very nature, live performance is accessible, and seek to cultivate an engaged audience and to create meaningful connections between audience and performer. We take people's individual stories and abstract them to get at universal truths. We encourage the audience to find bits and pieces of themselves along the way. We are currently planning and preparing for Birds in a Wire's third season. We are very proud of what we've achieved so far, and with your help, we can fly even higher. We know there are a lot of worthy causes out there, and we know it means something to you when you choose who to donate to. We promise not to take your support for granted. It means something to us to know that you've entrusted us with your hard-earned money. We'll treat your donation as an affirmation of your belief in our company and what we're all about. From everyone at Birds in a Wire Dance Theater, thank you so much for your kind and generous support.